How are you all doing? Guys, we're going to be eating green rice today. I went to party yesterday and I found this green rice. Somebody made it, but I don't know what it's made of. I know it's a rice, it's green. But it's rice, guys. Yeah. Yeah. The very green rice. So let's eat it, guys. Mm. Ah, it tastes good. It tastes good. Hmm. But yeah, it tastes really good. Everybody were looking at it in the party yesterday. Nobody want to eat. You know, like me, I love to try new things that look strange, Mostly food. I love to try food that looks strange to me. Because this one looks strange to me. Nobody want to eat it yesterday. Everybody is running around it. No, I don't want that. Give me the white one. Give me the jollof rice. I don't want it. Huh? Mm? It's good. Anyway, maybe that is how he's supposed to cook. Uh-huh. This is not the regular jollof rice or fried rice. This is another type. Hmm. Okay. This one is not liver. It's beef. Just uh, just ordinary beef. Not liver. I thought it's a liver. Mm. The food is not bad. It tastes really good. Yeah, tastes good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, it's Uyedo party. You know, every year. It's the Uyedo in Norway. We always organize a Christmas party. Uh, Yeah, yes. No, no. Why not green rice? We have red rice. We have white rice. We have um light green rice. Light fried rice. I don't know what this one is called. Green rice. It is green fried rice or I don't know. Yeah. Um, you have a lot of chili on it. It's really hot. You get pepper well. People just want to eat the things they used to. People don't try things. Just want to eat the things they are used to. White rice, jollof rice. Mm. So It tastes really good. Yeah, it's just like regular jollof, regular fried rice. Yeah, only the color is a little bit green. Like, all right, guys, see you guys in my next one. Bye.